Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 4th, 1918. Effects of the imprisonment of Jesus in the Passion. I spent last night in prison together with Jesus. I compassionated him, I clung to his knees to sustain him, and Jesus told me,
"My daughter, in my passion, I wanted to suffer also imprisonment, in order to free the creature from the prison of sin. Oh, what a horrible prison sin is for man! His passions chain him like a vile slave, and my imprisonment and my chains released him and unchained him. For the loving souls my imprisonment formed their prison of love, in which to remain safe and defended from everyone and from everything. And it chose them to keep them as living prisons and tabernacles, which were to warm me from the coldness of the tabernacles of stone, and much more so from the coldness of the creatures who, imprisoning me within themselves, make me die of cold and of hunger. This is why many times I leave the prisons of the tabernacles, and I come into your heart to be warmed from the cold, to refresh myself with your love. And when I see you going in search of me in the tabernacles of the churches, I say to you, are you not my true prison of love for me? Look for me inside your heart and love me."